Yes. A line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is called a
Median.
suppose. This is the obtuse angle triangle. Okay. This is 10 centimeters.
5 centimeter.
Yeah. What is this called?
5
Median.
Median.
Okay. Now pay attention and try to understand the next thing I'm going to say. Okay. If this is the middle 3, I draw this. What does this become?
Median.
3.
Median. Median.
3.
Median. Ma'am, there can be infinity mediums in a.
How can there be infinity mediums? What are you talking? How can there be infinity mediums?
Oh, sorry.
इसका मिड पॉइंट एक ही पॉइंट रहेगा और ये ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स एक ही रहेगा, तो दो पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाला एक ही लाइन हो सकता है. This is something we learned right from grade 5, that when two distinct points are given and a line passes through that, one and only one line can pass through these two distinct points. हाँ, यहां से infinite हो सकता है, यहां से infinite हो सकता है, but when there are two distinct points, there can only be one line that can pass through both of them. There cannot be more than one line. So here there can only be one median from one side, one median from the other. So in a triangle, how many medians can be there?
3. 3 sides, 3
3.
medians.
Correct.
टेढ़ा पेढ़ा लाइन क्यों आता है?
अरे रणवीर, वो मीडियन है तो टेढ़ा पेढ़ा ही लाइन आएगा ना, क्योंकि जब ये ऐसा हो तो ऐसा थोड़ी ना जा सकता है स्ट्रेट, वो कोने में ही जाएगा ना. 3 medians.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Got it? अभी तक समझ में आया? चलो.
Yes.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तब
अभी
सब
अगला
कुछ.
चीज अभी पढ़ेंगे. अगला चीज देखेंगे. Median is something that it's a line segment that connects from one vertex to the midpoint on the other side, on the opposite side. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, triangle.
Yes.
You know what is a perpendicular?
No.
Perpendicular is a line that forms a 90-degree angle with its base.
180 total.
Okay, we are not talking about measure of angles. You must have studied about this thing called perpendicular even in 5th standard, even in 6th standard.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6th standard you taught us perpendicular line definition.
I know, I did. I'm just trying to refresh your memory. Perpendicular means a standing line which forms 90 degrees with the base.
On both
A
sides.
straight line which forms 90 degrees with the base. Okay? Perpendicular.
Yes.
Yes.
A line which forms perpendicular is the altitude or the height of the triangle. Okay? Wait with your questions. I'm sure I will be answering most of the questions with the explanation. So wait. Okay. A perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side is called altitude. Perpendicular मतलब it is forming 90 degrees. जहां perpendicular mention किया, perpendicular mention किया, it means it is forming 90 degrees. Perpendicular mention किया तो it's forming 90 degrees. Got it? Understood?
Yes. Yes.
A perpendicular which is connecting this vertex to the opposite side is called the height or the altitude of the triangle.
And then what is latitude?
Latitude and longitude will come on the globe, not over here. Okay?
Okay.
When you have a globe, Earth, it has an equator. These lines that are formed around the equator, these are called latitudes.
Latitude.
Lines that go from north to south are called longitudes.
Ma'am, the lines that go west to east, that's how everyone made those Shiva temples.
Okay, please
Latitude.
listen. Let's not go out of the completely out of the topic. No, please. You got confused with what is latitude, longitude. I just told you that much. That is not over here. This is altitude.
What is it, ma'am?
Altitude.
Altitude.
What is altitude?
Height.
What is altitude?
Height.
Huh.
Height. Okay, that's the altitude. All right. Now, keeping this in mind, what is the altitude here?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
P.
P is a point. Altitude is a line.
PR.
PR. I said altitude or the height is something that will be perpendicular to the base. Height. तुम height कैसे measure करोगे ऐसा टेढ़ा?
Okay, PQ.
Simple logic. How will you measure your height? तुम सीधे खड़े रहोगे तब तुम्हारा height measure होता है ना? हम ऐसा slanting में. Now I will take the height from here to here. Correct?
Yes.
Will I measure this height?
No.
What will be the height? I will take it from here to here. Right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
PQ is the thing.
So,
PQ.
the height has always supposed to be the straight line. Whenever it says
Yes.
height or altitude, remember how you measure your height. तुम
Yes.
कैसे height measure करते हो? टेढ़ा खड़े रह के measure करोगे क्या कभी भी? Never. You'll always be told to stand absolutely straight, such that you are perpendicular to the base. एकदम सीधे खड़ा रहो, सर सीधा, सर ऐसे झुकना भी नहीं चाहिए, right? That's how your height is measured. So if your height is measured like this, a triangle ka height is also measured like this. How can it be
PQ.
measured like this? Got it? Now,
Man.
I have an obtuse angle triangle. Oh, it's gone a little crooked, huh? One. Ah.
Ma'am, I know what is the altitude and the height. No, that is a slanting line.
How will I check the altitude?
Ma'am,
PR.
PR.
PR. Again a slant line. What is wrong with your children?
QR.
QR. Sleeping line. तुम क्या लेट के हाइट मेजर करते हो?
P and
No.
Q. P and Q.
P and Q. P and Q are 2 points.
Ma'am, PQ.
PQ is again a slant line. It is not making an 90-degree
Ma'am,
angle.
we cannot measure the height.
Ma'am, no, we can measure it.
That's the height.
And what did you did, ma'am?
I extended the baseline,
Hmm.
and altitude has to always be a line segment which is perpendicular
तो
from
ये
one vertex
exam
to
में
the
आने वाला
opposite
है?
side.
तो ऐसा एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है.
पहले तुम एग्जाम में क्या आएगा वो छोड़ो, इधर क्या है उसको समझो. What is to giggle in this? Tanishka, put on your video.
Ma'am.
Understood? कुछ कुछ समझ में आया? थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Yes.
I will explain again.
सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, पर वो आपने जो ऐसे डैश डैश करके किया ना, वो एक्सटेंड, वो नहीं समझ में आ गया.
I understood what you did.
Okay. I'll go back to median.
Yes.
Median is a line segment from the vertex to the midpoint on the opposite side. Okay. Median is a line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Line segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is a
Median.
Median.
altitude, which also means the height, is a line segment drawn perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. Height or altitude is a line segment drawn from the vertex and is perpendicular on the opposite side. Basically, it has to be absolutely straight. Only if it is absolutely straight, it will make a perpendicular, no? It will make 90 degrees, no?
Yes.
If it is not exactly straight, can it make 90 degrees?
No.
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 So only
It will
if
be
you are
less
standing,
than 90
once
or
again,
more than,
think
more
about
than
yourself.
90.
Once again, think about yourself. Only if you are standing absolutely straight, will you be measured, no? For your height?
Yes.
Zara bhi ye teda hua, and this is not 90. Will you be measuring that height? No.
No.
That is why in simple terms you're saying it is supposed to make a perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is supposed to make an angle of 90 degrees. If it does not make an angle of 90 degrees, you cannot check the height. फिर याद रखना, तुम हल्का भी टेढ़ा खड़े रहोगे, तुम्हारा हाइट का मेजर नहीं आएगा. Remember this example. that for it to be measured as the height, it has to make a 90-degree angle over here.
तो आपने जो ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया उसमें P और P है मीटर
P and Q.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
हाँ
मीडियन यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री बनाए ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary. It can just make an angle. Median is only going to join one corner to the midpoint of the other side. It is only to show कि ये इसका middle point है. Median, middle point, that's it. ये सिर्फ बताएगा कि ये इसका middle point है. ये जो है ना, this line need not come here in the middle point because it is
Perpendicular.
checking the midpoint. It is checking the height. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now when we start doing the sums, you will be able to understand. Okay. Now what I'm going to ask you is some questions. Think and understand it. Okay.
okay
An altitude, which is that line measuring the height, will it always lie inside the triangle?
No.
This,
Not necessary.
thank you. No, not necessary. It can be outside also, because if we have an obtuse triangle, then its height will be here. It cannot be inside because यहाँ पे कहीं भी वो खाली मीडियन हो सकता है इसमें. यहाँ पे हाइट अंदर कहाँ से फाइंड आउट करें? Right?
Yes.
So that's correct. That will an altitude always be inside the triangle? No,
Not
not always.
necessary.
Will a median always be inside the triangle?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
because it has to reach the midpoint of the other side. No, good.
Hmm.
Next question, think and answer. Can the altitude and median be same for a triangle?
No.
Think,
No.
think.
Not necessary. Ma'am, not necessary. It may or may not.
No, listen to the question again.
Ma'am, yes.
Can the altitude and medium be same? Can it be same?
Ma'am, yes.
No. No. Median.
PQ.
Array.
Ma'am, look, you can see. Ma'am, don't erase, don't erase, don't erase. Look over there in that perpendicular over there. Over there you can see straight line, while in this median over there also you can
Think
see
about
straight
it.
line.
Think about it. This is something looking like an isosceles triangle.
Yes.
Okay. This looks somewhat like a equilateral triangle.
Yes.
This is an obtuse angle triangle.
Yes, Colleen. I mean,
Now pay attention.
Hmm. Which angle it is?
What triangle is this?
Equilateral.
What is triangle?
equilateral.
In an equilateral triangle, midpoint 3,
Yes,
Yes.
median, median.
Hmm.
median and height.
Hmm.
Ma'am, that's what I told you. They can be
So-
same.
So the median and altitude can be the same in some triangles. That is the answer. What was the question? Can median and altitude be the same in a triangle? Yes, it can. In some triangles it can. In this triangle it cannot. In this triangle, the median will go here and form an angle. It will probably not make a right angle. Yes? No?
Yes.
Maybe so?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure? Confused?
Correctly not
No.
confused.
Not
Correctly not
confused.
confused.
Okay. Now, answer my question. A triangle has
Hmm.
3 vertices.
Yes.
A triangle has
Yes.
4 sides.
No.
No.
Each angle of a triangle is 60 always.
Yes.
Yes.
What, ma'am?
Each angle of a triangle is always 60.
No.
No.
Obviously, no.
Ma'am, 60, 60, 61.
हर triangle 60, 60, 60 बनता है.
No.
It can be any word, anything.
Yeah. ये कहाँ से 60, 60, 60 होगा? ये हो सकता है because ये equilateral triangle.
Yes.
Equilateral
ये नहीं हो
triangle
सकता.
can be.
This cannot be. This also
Because-
cannot be. Okay. All right. So far
Okay.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to do one sum and check if you all are able to remember something that we did from last class. Are we ready?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am.
मुझे तो सब कुछ याद है.
अरे तो करके दिखाओ. मैम मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ, करके दिखाओ.
मैम तनिष्का लाइक तो मेरे को सब कुछ याद है.
है इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ. मैम ये लास्ट ईयर का नहीं है, लास्ट क्लास का है.
और लास्ट मंथ का भी नहीं है.
Quickly tell me if this angle is 60. What is this angle?
60.
60.
Why?
Interior alternate angle.
Interior alternative angles are always equal to.
If this is 60, ये क्या है?
60 because alternative interior angles are always equal.
What will be this?
60, 60, 120, 120.
60 only, 60, 60.
Why? Why?
Because their consecutive angles are always supplementary.
These are consecutive angles.
No.
Sorry, all angles are always, all these angles equal
All
supplementary.
angles are always supplementary. मतलब कोई भी angle
No,
हो,
no.
supplementary रहता है.
No, all these angles are always supplementary.
Ranveer, think and talk. 1 minute, Ranveer, be quiet. Yes, Pranav.
180 minus 120.
Why 180?
Because all 60, 16, 12.
Eh?
All side, all. Wait.
Tanishka,
Ma'am,
explain. Tanishka, explain.
Ma'am, explain.
Ma'am, because that angle LA, ma'am, you have not measured L, yes, LAX, angle XAY, angle YAM, it's supplementary. Because and supplementary angles are always equal to 180. 180, 60 plus 60 is 60 plus 60.
120.
120. So 180 minus 120 is 60.
Tanishka, you just said 120 minus 120. It is not 60, it is 0.
No, 120, 180
She said
minus
180
120.
minus 120. And thank you for the detailed explanation, Tanishka. This is all I was expecting from anyone who was going to explain this to me. Ma'am, this plus this plus this 60 plus 60. Array, explain how we have done. That's more important. Don't tell me that only I was going to say. Nahi. I am not simply drawing something and saying that only I was going to say. I explained the full thing.
That only I was going to say.
In next form.
Okay. Chalo.
That only I was going to say.
I am going to close the class now, and today I'm going to give homework in some time. I need you all to solve it and submit it. Okay? It will be very simple
Okay.
homework. Very simple homework. I want you all to solve it and submit it today. Okay? And